All right, so I'm going to make this quick informal video about Jamaican citizenship. I get a million questions all the time, but here are my top, I'm going to say 5. Number 1, do I need original birth certificate for myself and the Jamaican? Yes. That is a straight up yes. Yes. If it's a grandparent, you need it for yourself, your parent, and your grandparent. There will be 3 birth certificates, and they all must be original. Will I get the birth certificate back? Yes. If they're deceased, can I get a birth certificate? Yes. If they're deceased, can I apply for citizenship still? Yes. Do I need a short form or the long form? You must have the long form birth certificate unequivocally. If your parent's name is not on your birth certificate, you cannot prove that you are a Jamaican descendant. So yes, you must have the long form birth certificate. Can I apply for the citizenship when I go down to Jamaica? Yes, you can. The citizenship application normally takes 25 business days in Jamaica. That has gone up because there are so many persons trying to get Jamaican citizenship by descent. So the time in Jamaica is no longer 25 days, which means overseas, the time has also gone up. Well, if I'm married to a Jamaican, can I get it? Yes. Citizenship by marriage, though, we don't assist with that one, but we can give you the application form and tell you the required documents. That one takes 2 years. So if you have any Jamaican descendants, dig up those and try to get it that way, because it's a quarter of the time if you're a descendant than if you're married to a Jamaican. You're a Jamaican and your kids were born in America. I always get this question. Of course, yes, your American kids can become Jamaican citizens. But everybody contact me and they say, can I get a Jamaican passport? Nobody mentions, can I get the citizenship? You cannot get a passport unless you're a citizen of the country. So you have to apply for the citizenship first and then apply for the passport. Or if you submit your application in person, then you can do them simultaneously. So you can submit passport application and citizenship at the same time if you are applying in person for the citizenship. If you have any other questions relating to Jamaican citizenship, we have all the answers.
Use the right lane to take
or
exit
most
9
of them.
east to
So just
South
give us a
onto
call.
I-84 east towards
WhatsApp us on our Jamaican number or our 646 number. Our numbers are on every platform. Anywhere you see us, our numbers are there. You just have to tap on our username. You just have to tap on our username, and in the profile you will see the number. All right, I'm Gail of 876 Documents. I was just distracted because I'm trying to cut into the lane and police was on the side. Thanks for watching. Shoot. See if I can cut to take the exit. Okay, let me see if I can cut to here. So, all right, I'm Gail of 876 Documents. Thanks for watching.